Today we have a couple of radios here. This comes in a pair from RETEVIS. This is the RB17V radios. They are MUR radios. MUR radios are, the acronym stands for Multi-Use Radio Service. And in the United States, you do not need a license to use these. They're a maximum of 2 watts. And they operate in the 151 megahertz range on 5 channels. Now it comes with the radios, the battery, which is removable, the belt clips, which are removable, and carrying straps, which are removable, and here's the manual. They really look nice. They don't look like cheap plastic. There is no display because you don't need a display because it operates on 5 channels, which is selectable up here. And then here's the volume on off. And this orange button is an alarm that will sound. And it's very loud, so I'm not going to push the alarm. It's very loud. On this side, we have the transmit button, this big button right here. And then here is the monitor button, so it will open up the squelch and you can hear even the lowest signals. Over here we have the earbuds and the microphone, so you can buy a set of earbuds and microphone that are built into one unit, and they plug in this port right here, similar to other radios. So if we turn it on,
turn on the radio. 3.
That announced the radio was turned on, and it told you the channel that was selected, which was 3. If you change the channel,
2, 1.
see, it tells you what channel. So you don't need a display.
3.
Now the antennas are removable. If you want to store these and you take the antenna off, you can remove the antenna. It screws off. It has SMA connectors, so you can actually buy other antennas to give you a little better range. What these typically are used for is, like, you can use them in your neighborhood in case of emergency and the cell phone towers go down and the phone lines go down. You can communicate with your neighbor. Like, for instance, I have a good neighbor across the street, and if we had a hurricane and you didn't want to go outside and the cell phones were down, here's something that I could contact him with. Pretty nice radio. It also has 2 tabs here for charging. So I guess you can get charging cradles to put them in. Also, it comes with, and I've got them over on my bench. It comes with 2 charging cables, which are USB to micro USB. And then there's a light on the back here, right here, which lights up red when it's charging, and then when the battery is fully charged, it turns to green. This would be a pretty nice pair of radios. They are on sale right now on the RETEVIS website for $56 for the pair. So I will put a link in the first comment below this video to that website. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.